Good morning. Good morning. Jesus is the only way. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. Bear with me, just making sure I'm all set up here. Music is somewhat loud for me. Okay. Trailer Arc. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. 15:45 p.m. in South Africa. That is so cool. Good morning, brother. What broker do you use in trading NQ futures? I am actually trading, pardon me, I'm just going to pop over something on my screen. I'm actually trading, what is it called? Prop firms. And this one is with TopStep X. TopStep X. All right, guys. Sorry, it's a busy morning already. Busy morning for me. But I'm here. TopStep. Okay, then. Thank you for the information. A great trading day to you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I feel a little off this morning, and I just have to like talk about it so that I don't like just get in my head and doubt myself. But just feeling just a little off. That's all. A little off. At least at least I'm aware of it. That's all I care about, and I'm not like avoiding it. So. NQ. My gosh. We are. Okay, here we go. So CPI. Let's take a look at the news here. Boom. Let's take a look at the news together here. I believe CPI data was supposed to come out today, and the fact that the fact that there isn't any CPI data is crazy work. Crazy work. I mean, that's crazy. I don't even know what to say. Mortgage delinquencies is tentative. I don't know what to say about that, man. I mean, the fact that our government, the United States government, can't give us data about jobless claims seems pretty fishy to me. I can't imagine it to be legitimate, like the corrupted file. I feel like there's something else going on. So you know what? Let's just enjoy the morning, right? Like we're here together. I know we're here for trading, and we're all here together to trade, and that's, you know, what we're gonna do. But let's enjoy just looking at the market and being alive, because I don't want to rush into anything. And if you've been trading for a while, you know what it's like if you rush into things, right? And you feel forced to do something. So I'm about to start looking at the charts. Just before I do, if you're still watching, would love to earn your like. And if you enjoy the time with me at any point, would love to earn your like, because it helps me kind of get this out there. So that being said, let's take a look here. Oh, living room. Yo, Shaq, how you doing? Let's have a profitable day today, buddy. Yes, sir. I love it, man. One day I got to go out there, bro. One day I got to go out to the UK. I love it. All right, let's go to GC. That's my favorite. My favorite thing to trade is gold. Yesterday we had such a banger trade. We got out so early. Like we literally, if we would have held another minute or two, it would have started running. And but it is what it is. You know, that's part of trading, and I accept my my win and taking profit, right? So, all right, so we have this sort of trend line forming. I mean, it's not the prettiest on the 1 hour, so I'm gonna take that off. We're gonna do what we do every day, which is just kind of focus on supply and demands areas. So we got a 1 hour supply right here that I'm gonna watch, and then I have a 1 hour demand down here, and then there is another 1 hour demand down here too that is probably pretty important. We'll zoom in onto the 5 minute and see what's going on. So we're kind of consolidating. Broke the last lower high, and we're kind of going short. So hard to tell. I don't have a clear exact answer for gold at the moment. The only thing I can think of is this continuation on the 5 minute trend line here, right? Something like this to go short with, you know, within this 5 minute supply area, maybe is the entry. So yeah, it could be a nice little short here, nice little short scalp. And if I were to take it, I'm just going to take the evals. I'm not going to trade on my what is it called? My express accounts. How did yesterday go for you? I had a break-even day. Nice, man. Break-even is better than a loss, so that's a win to me. Yesterday was good, man. We got long on gold a little bit after market open, and it was a one and done in the express accounts. And then we took a trade on Combine with NQ shorts, and that was a winner, and that was really good. Burdado, good evening, brother. Good evening. So good evenings. That means you're on the other side of the world. Where are you at again? In the Philippines? Is that right? I've been having a lot of my Filipino fan. Look, my shirt literally says Kaibigan because I'm Filipino. But I've had some people from India yesterday. Lots of people from India. Some from Australia. So it's been really cool. International trading fam. You know what I mean? But guys, no CPI. Can we just like acknowledge the fact that for the first time in the United States history's government, we have no CPI data coming out? Like, what? That's crazy. That's some weird stuff right there. You're in Japan, bro. What life do you live? You're in Japan now? Come on. Konnichiwa. Domo arigato. I love Japan. I love Japan. Japan's sick. I grew up watching Initial D, Sailor Moon, Dragon Ball Z. Love Pokemon. So, yeah. Great to hear, bro. Hopping off to do my pre-market now. Best of luck today, brother. Much love. Thanks, brother. Amen. Stay green. Stay tight. I'll see you later. Check in with me later. Join the Discord if you haven't. Would love to keep conversation with you. All right, brother. Hey man, how are you keeping? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. I said it earlier. I'm a little off this morning. Like, it was really busy already this morning. 5:30 my time. Already messaging my team, kind of doing some work. So I'm just kind of getting myself going. You know, oiling the gears, getting myself ready. So ready to maybe not trade today. I don't know. I don't want to force anything. Hey man, how are you? Or Osaka, Japan. That's sick, bro. If you see legit GTRs like Godzilla R34s, bro, just take a picture for me and save it in your camera roll. Be like, hey, this is what Shaq likes. That is one of my dream cars. R34, GTR, V-Spec, A-Side Blue. Boom. I'm going to join your Discord. Thanks, bro. And no pressure. It would just be cool to keep connected with you. But have a good day. Guys. Gold is looking decent for a short. For a short. Not gonna lie, on the 1 minute. Put it like that. I'd like to see that kind of form. And then I'd like to see trend line like this. And I'd like to enter in somewhere here. If we get it, I'm going to take it on the eval. I don't want to trade on the Express account right now. Don't feel too confident in this setup. And not only that, I opened up a Take Profit Trader account yesterday. That's on Tradeovate, and I'm up $700 on that. I took a trade outside of live. So we'll probably trade that today too. I'm going to be very cautious in trading my Express account. Like I don't even want to touch it unless I feel very good about the setup and that I'm going to accept the risk, like accept the loss. And that's how trading should be. I'm learning. I'm not perfect, but like when you place a trade, you should have already accepted the loss. If you're risking $100, if you're risking $25, or you're risking $1,000, you should just accept that money's gone. And when I started like accepting that and learning that for myself, that when I put risk on the table and I'm risking $150, I'm just gonna say that money's gone. That money's gone. I don't even have it anymore. It's whatever, right? And that helped me like focus. Bro, 1 point of NQ standard is that $20. Yes, one tick, 1 point is $20. So there's this measurement tool on NQ that I always use, and right here, so you would take 29.50 times 20. So this is a $590 range on one mini contract. Just come back to gold real quick. R34s are legendary, but we all know Filipino's best friend is Honda Civic. Yeah, it is, bro. That is a Filipino's best friend. I grew up driving Acura RSX, not RSX. Oh my gosh. It's not RSX, Integra. I had a DA9 Acura Integra 1991. Was my first car, super clean. close family friend sold it to me for dirt cheap, to the family for dirt cheap. Had a B18 GSR motor or GSR tranny, sick car. And then I had a 1991 CRX with a Frankenstein motor. I loved that car. And then I had a 99 Civic, not an SI, but with an SI swap inside. So yeah. NSX, that's like, bro, that's NSX. Not gonna lie, if I had to choose a GTR over NSX, I will go GTR every time. NSX in itself is a very like niche car. I feel like you really got to love Honda to want NSX, but it is legendary. NSX is legendary. I don't know how I feel about the motor being mid-engine in the back, but yeah. Left side is the point or the right. Verbato. I don't know what that means, brother. Left side is point or right. Dang, that's sick. So you are a JDM boy for sure. Yeah, I am. I have a 2020 Toyota Supra at home. That's been my car for the last 4 years. It's up for sale right now. It's been for sale for the last month or so. So if it sells for the right price, it sells. But yeah, I do love JDM, even though that 2020 Supra is technically a BMW Z4. So I've been driving a Beamer, apparently. Let's see here. Okay, 6:45. We're coming up to this area. I definitely feel like I'm rushing things, guys. I definitely feel like I'm rushing. So I don't think I'm going to do anything right now. But technically speaking, you know, I would like to see this area reject this trend line and drop here. Sorry, guys, 1 second. Hold on, so you got a Beamer? I have a 2020 Toyota Supra. That's I guess I don't want to be the guy where people say, "Oh, he's just talking smack." I'll show you that I have it. My car. We're shooting some rollers for it. Yeah, I love the car. It's great, but it's basically a BMW, a fake Supra. Yeah, exactly. Okay, ouch. G37, freaking G37. This guy. You do get, you know, people do make fun of you having a quote unquote fake Supra. I own the car, and I would definitely agree with you. It's a fake Supra. It is a sick car. It gets attention. It's a Supra, so everyone's, "Oh, is that a Supra?" You know, that's all you hear. But there's so much electronics in it, guys. Like, I feel like I'm getting old. I am old, or I'm older. I'm 34, and there's so many, like, there's driver assist, like. The steering wheel feels so floaty going 80 miles an hour. I just miss my 91 CRX where it felt like a little go-kart. And when I was going 45, it felt like I was going 100, you know? So the car's for sale. I'm wanting an R35 next, but I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna do that right away. So yeah, that's that. Man, we're a bunch of car guys in here. We're just a bunch of car guys in here. G37, you've been here before. I think I remember you, bro. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you guys are still here, please tap that like button. It means a lot to me just to kind of get this going. But I'm freaking pumped. We're here. I'm alive. We're alive. The fact that you're literally looking at the screen with your eyeballs and hearing me speak means you're alive, and that we got another day ahead of us. or you got another night wherever you're at in the world. So how about we count that as a W? W's in the chat for just being alive today. All right, guys, I switched to my combine. So I definitely like this opportunity. I'd want to see a little bit of a break before I enter in short. So I'm going to put my limit sell here and risk 300 bucks. So let's see if we get filled. I never want to just chase the first candle because you never know what happens on the first candle. Bro, should I just start placing trades with you? Hey, that's up to you, and I'm not a financial advisor. Fake Supra, just kidding. I believe you, but that's a BMW, bro. Yeah, bro, it is a BMW. It's a BMW in disguise. Bro, should I just try to copy that? Copy trade them, bro. Right now, I don't want to do that. Okay, we're risking 300 bucks. This is a combine. All right, just making that known. I switched to my combine, and we're taking this little scalp if it pops up for us. So I said earlier I'd want to see it retest the trend line, you know, and then have this trend line be broken, which it did. Entered in on the next 1 minute candle. It might come back and reject and stay above, and then we can say we're cooked. Excuse me. Combine. This is just a combine. This is just evals. Okay? I ain't freaking going. I ain't doing anything with my what is it called? Gosh, I can't talk. I'm not doing anything with my live account, express accounts. I'm trying to fix this for y'all. Where you go? Where you guys at? Copy trader. We still in pre? Yes, this is pre-market New York session. So that's why I'm gonna wait a bit for. Guys, I can't think straight. Sorry, give me a second here. Yes, we are in pre-market, and market opens in another 30 minutes or so. What are you trading here? This is gold. No, I don't want you to be my financial advisor. I need to know about the Forex market. I never follow anyone's trades, but I always lose my money and place trade with no knowledge. That's gambling, brother. I don't know if you're trolling or if you're being honest, but like that's definitely gambling, and I would assess like not spending any more money on anything and evaluating what you want. I think that's where you need to start. Obviously, you want to make money, but if you want to take this serious, you need to have some sort of setup, some sort of confluence. Like right now, I went short because of 2 things or 3 things. 1, there's a 1 hour supply. 2, we made a new lower low. This was the last lower high. We made a new lower low. So that. And then 2, we rejected this trend line. So I wanted to see it go short. And we broke this trend line, which is where I entered. So it looks like we're cooked on it, and I'm totally fine with that. Totally fine.
Order filled.
That was a loss. $283. Huh. Why did I only lose? I didn't lose 300. I lost less than 300. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining about that. All right. So that was a losing trade on a combine. On a combine, everybody. This is not my Express account. Hey, Shaq, since you passed your eval, are you working on building the buffer now? I am. Yeah, we're up 400 and some change on the Express accounts. Do you see how long it's taking me to reply back to you guys? That shows that I'm not extremely aware. So I am very not keeping up right now. I am not keeping up right now. Bigger wins to come. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. yeah, this was definitely a setup I was fine with, took the risk, and I accepted the loss. And not even that is freaking, it's an eval. And we're still up 378 on it, so I'm good. Bro, drop some learning content for us. You know what? I will have a team of editors. They're editing some long form videos for me right now. Yeah, it takes effort, and I'm not putting effort in that right now because I'm so busy with my business and everything else I do outside of going live with you guys, so I can pay the bills. You know, I don't make money full time from trading yet, and so yeah, once I kind of can catch up and breathe a bit, I'll start to post some learning content. I want to go short in the 5-minute supply. I want to go short right here, this 5-minute supply box. But I just took a loss, right? It's not going in the direction that I was wanting it to go. And I think I've said it multiple times, and not really like focused right now. So I'm just gonna lay off. I'm gonna lay off and just watch the market with you guys, because I want the setup to present itself. That's what we want to do, is we want to wait for the market to present itself. So how many funded accounts do you have? I have 4 express accounts with TopStep. 2 we just passed this week. You're going to catch God candles today. This was the warm-up cook. Yes. Hey man, look, I want that too. I do, but it's okay. I say this because there's this feeling like you got to make money every day. And also, like, freaking, I trade in front of you guys, right? The last live, we got almost 4,000 views. So I do feel the pressure to want to perform and show things, show that I'm going to make money. But I just gotta say it out loud. Like, hey, maybe I lose money today, right? And the God candle shows up tomorrow. So I always have to play that in my mind, because I don't want to feel that pressure and get caught in that like spiral. Oh, I gotta prove to make money. You know, all these guys are seeing me lose. You know, yeah. Just talking out loud. I love that t-shirt, Kaibigan. Yeah, man. This was a long time ago, guys. It's like falling apart. It's I was 420 pounds. Like, I was really, really big. I'll show you guys a picture. I'm still big now, but I was like massive before here. So I was 420 pounds. I jumped on a program that helped me lose weight, but this shirt was like my branding. I was trying to like get people to join you know, my health program that I was a part of, and I joined the health program again. I'm back on it. This week I'm down. I started Monday on the program. I'm down 11 pounds total as of this morning. So I'm feeling good. I'm 330 even. I'm a big boy, but my goal is to get down to 220, 250. So yeah. I started looking at the profits by the week instead of by the day. That's a good outlook, because like, even if I take a losing day today and then tomorrow is a winning trade, but at the end of the week, if I was green, that's successful, right? And then you look at it at the end of the month. So that's a good perspective to have, like, to make sure that you're taking a step back and widening your view of things. So good tip there, bro. Good tip. I have a tip for you. You might want to trade in that G37 for Honda. That's just my tip. I'm just kidding. Or maybe like a N54 BMW, you know, 325i, 340i. You know, similar year to yours. Just saying. I'm just kidding. I'm just trying to have some fun. I'm proud of you. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy trying to lose weight. But you know, it's all about the food. So like right now, 7:30 is coming up. I have a fueling I have to eat. It's one of these things, and I just eat it every 2.5 hours. So life is so busy that it makes it so much easier just to eat whatever's there, right? I've had this baby since 2018, bro. It's my baby. You know what? I love that. I love that. I'm not gonna lie. The fact that you love your car and you've had it for so long, You have more success to me than a lot of the guys that have freaking Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and trade cars every, 6 months. You actually love your car. And I want that. Yes, I have a Toyota Supra, but I can confidently say back in 2020, I bought it just to prove my family wrong and prove people wrong. Like, oh, Shaq's not going to be anybody. Shaq's not going to amount to things. So I worked really hard and sold a bunch of solar and sold the car, or bought the car. And so, yeah. Indeed, I think the trading space is really toxic in the way influencers, fake forex trading gurus set unrealistic goals and don't show the reality of how harsh the market it can be. Bro, like 100%. And first off, your G37 is going to last forever. Manny. And yes, like the markets or this trading space is very like toxic, and you have the Lambo bros that are in trading. They take the video and they're like, I got the Lamborghini. You got to follow me. You got to do this. You want to change your life. You got to get into trading. And it sucks, man, because I fell into that. I was in forex when I really took it serious in the beginning. It was this guy, Swaggy C, and he had the LA life, living in a high rise with his wife, had multiple cars, had the money, making all this money, and it looks really cool. And I fell into it and I realized, bro, it's not real. It's just not real. The real guys, the guys that I actually know who make money, don't even have social media accounts. Like, I know guys that live in like overseas, don't even have social media accounts. They just do whatever. Big up to you, big for real. Thank you so much, man. Bro, NQ is going down. Ding. Yeah, I do like NQ right now. I like shorts on NQ. Up here is a 1 hour supply. And then there's a 1 hour supply. The move is pretty overextended, so I don't know if I would take the short here. But yeah. Bro, you in Scottsdale? How do you know that, sir? Maybe I've said it before. Whatever. Yes, I am. I'm in Scottsdale. I have an office up in Scottsdale by the air park inside of a car dealership. So the lady who owns this dealership, super nice lady, she needed to fill up office space. And I took the opportunity and messaged her. And now they pay me actually to be here because I manage their social media. So I think it's going to flush. Yeah, I think so too. I think what I would like to see at market open is some sort of run up. This going up this way. I'd like to see some sort of run up instead of straight down at open and then go down. So that's what I'm gonna look for. I don't want to push it on NQ. So yeah, that's that. All right. We got another potential opportunity here on gold. Just understand I'm taking another setup. I may take another trade on just the eval. It's 49 bucks. Okay. So if I lose again today with it on this trade, I'm just losing 49 bucks and I'm totally fine with it. So I'm going to place a limit sell, see if it flips up, and we're going to risk 300 bucks there. I don't want to chase, and it's okay if it completely drops. That's fine with me. I'd rather take some sort of retracement back up, and then take profit would be here. Mm-mm-mm. 2540s support. Yeah, I can see that. Hold up, guys. We only had 12 likes, 68 people watching. Can we we get the likes up just a little bit, just a little bit. I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to be that guy who always keeps asking for likes, but you know, we gotta juicing it up just a tad bit. Okay, tomorrow, Friday, we're gonna go hard. You know, Lord willing that I'm alive tomorrow and do it again. We're gonna go hard. We're gonna get the likes up to the moon. Okay, but today, just a little soft tap on the like button would go a long way. A long, long way. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We almost hit that 20 mark. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so that was a good play. You know, here's what I actually like to see in a setup like this. Okay. Trendline break. I like when the first candle goes and breaks. That's great. I'm not going to chase it. I like when the second candle, this next candle, I like when it actually goes up a bit, and then I put my stop order underneath the candle, and then it comes down and flushes out and then goes lower. That is the setup, or that's the way I like to enter in the trade. This just flushed down. There was no wick up. So I'm cool with it, not mad. So if we do get a retracement back up here, I'll enter short. Special trades. Welcome. I like that peace sign. Punti Malik. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. Look at the 4-hour chart, bro. 4-hour chart. Dude, I don't zoom out that far anymore. You know, I'm not making moves that big, but yeah. Yeah, I can see. I mean, we're kind of, if I look left, you know, all-time highs are up here. We've been running on the 4-hour. So some sort of retracement is due. But I used to have my sights on that so big, right? Looking at daily and monthly, and then find a bias, and then no, we are absolutely going short. There's no reason why we can't go short. And then I get stuck in this bias trying to short all day long, and then I blow up an account. So I stick to the 1 hour, but I see what you're saying on the 4-hour. There is some sort of support there. Hey, Discord's popping off. Gotta say what's up. People liking the trade or liking the stream. Let me just put the stream inside of the Discord. I'm targeting 2540s. Ah, yeah. My bad. You're looking at NQ. I'm looking at gold right now, bro. Wow. NQ. What a move. So on NQ, I can see this 1 hour demand being tapped. And then it's pretty much a free fall all the way down to here. Again, if I were to take any shorts on NQ, I'd want to see a retracement at the open. So I don't want to chase shorts. All right, so we missed out on this sell order. Our bias was right that we were looking for sells. But we missed out on it, and that's all right. That's all right. This is just evals. I'm out 2540s. Nice, bro. Good job. Make that money. I feel like I'm just going to trade the evals today, guys. I don't unless it's like staring myself in the face, going short on our staring myself in the face to go trade the express accounts, then I'll do that. Not gonna. I'm still waking up, bro. Like I can feel it. I'm still waking up. Yeah, made $10 on that dip. Hey, a profit's a profit, man. Profit is a profit. And your risk tolerance should be whatever your risk tolerance is, right? Some people like to risk more, but sometimes it's too much. Like 150 to 300 is my range to risk. You know, if you risk $1 to make 10, that's freaking huge, bro. That's a win. All right, CPI data gone. Is this fake news? 49% of you say, yeah, man, of course. 51% of you say, it's real. The data is corrupted. Okay. More of you think that it's a legitimate thing that the CPI data is corrupted. Everyone, 2540s, come on with me. Oh, jeez. All right. This paper trading, no. This is demo. Oh, yeah. Short answer, yes. It is an evaluation with TopStep, and you have to get the $3,000 or $53,000 to pass, and then they give you live funding to trade with. So this is just an evaluation. If and when I get to 53,000, I pay for the funded account and they get that for me. I already have 4 express accounts. This is just an eval. Okay, it's 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. This trend line did hold. Oh, you know what happened? I think I made the trend line. I made the trend line too short. Oh no, I was right, and it did this fake out. So not bad, not bad. What's the website? It is topstep.com. I got you, bro. Hopefully one day, this is TopStep X that I'm using, and TopStep X does use TradingView as their like setup. But one day soon, hopefully I have a referral for you to use, which is ShackMT, to put in a referral code for TopStep, but I don't have that yet. What platform you trading on? This is TopStep X. TopStep X. We tapped the 22 like mark. Thank you so much for breaking 20s. Can we get to the 30s? I don't know. If you haven't tapped the likes yet, maybe we can get into the 30 range. 7-Eleven, good numbers. Yeah, yeah. 7-Eleven is a good number. What platform are you trading on? TopStep. I just started on Take Profit Trader. Great. Yeah. I have a Take Profit Trader account. Let me see if. Oh, let me just log in right quick. Second. And we should be. Oh, guys, one second. This is my Take Profit account. Hold on. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, this is Pat. I just noticed about the montage yesterday because I was actually doing the interview, and upon checking it, the footage are already logged, and the only thing that needs to be done in terms of coloring is just color correction, not putting the S log for it. That's why I asked about what camera did you use, because some footage are um not yet color converted. So upon checking it, um the footage yesterday was too bright, and I had to check for the color correction for it.
I see.
And yeah.
Let me see here. I don't think I shoot an S log on this camera, but do you need me to shoot an S log going forward?
No, you don't have to, because yeah, actually you can do that. Because if you shoot an on S log, I can just like convert it and then that's it. Because I got confused about the footage yesterday. This way the footage was too bright when I edited it. And then I revised it just now. And can you check the here? Can you check the revised version of it here in the comment?
Yes.
Because I can't move forward to the interview knowing that their colors are not matched.
Oh, you know what? We actually already we had to post it today, so it's actually being posted.
Oh, I actually talked to Angel about it, and I
Okay,
asked what is the schedule for posting about the montage, because and she said it's going to be 11 p.m. tonight,
11 p.m. Oh,
in
did
Eastern
she push
time.
it out? Okay, if she did, if she pushed it out already, then that makes sense. Okay, so then let me take a look at it. I'm gonna show everybody on live. Okay, live. I'm live on YouTube. Guys, everybody live on YouTube. Give me a second. We're gonna get to the market open at 7:30, but take a look at my editor. Her name is Pat. She's new to the team. She just edited this video for us. So tell me what you guys think. Okay, market's about to open. We'll be there in a second. It's it's not the biggest craziest difference, but I do know I see what you're saying, and I like that you're focused on that. So that one, the color is much more vibrant. So yeah, I agree with you. So yeah, if you could just message Angel in the chat and let her know that we're gonna post that one instead.
Okay.
And oh,
And
oh go ahead.
just tell me ahead of time if you're going to shoot with S-Log, so that I
Okay.
know how to edit your footages. And yeah, and as for the interview, I'm planning to make a 3 or 2 videos if the second video is too short. I'll be separating. The first video is going to be the intro and the interview with Coach Steven,
Okay.
and the next is with the players.
Okay. I like that. I was hoping we can split it up. Two is great. If you need to go three, that's fine too. And then
Okay.
I'm gonna change my camera to S log before I shoot. I have to shoot another roof today, so I'll change it to
Mhm.
S log. So now going forward, it'll always be S log.
Okay. That's better.
Thank you. I like your attention to detail. You're making me better. So thank you for telling me that you want to look at all these things because it makes me want to do better when I shoot with the camera. So I'll finish up here. I want you to take your time with the edits for the interview. If you do get time,
Mhm.
let's get some more for Dream Garage or for the AZ mod. If you can't, no
Mhm.
problem.
Okay. Can I also add like background music and the interview, like, because I want to put something like, for example, a scene of Coach Steven before starting the the interview, like some kind of montage or something like
Oh
that.
yeah, 100%. Please, that would be cool because I want it to be. You know what I'm gonna say. I want it to be tasteful. I don't want it. I don't want it to be over edited, but I also want it to be tasteful. And you already have that. You have that eye from the first video that you made for us. So I trust you. So
Okay.
I trust you actually a lot. So just do what you think is best, and then we'll talk about it once you kind of get to rough draft.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Just had to check in with my team. I think that's proof that I don't make money full time in trading. Okay. I am definitely a part-time trader. So I have to do that because that's what pays the bills right now. So, all right, we're back. We're back. Let's see here. Let me take this out of here. All right. What are we looking at? 10 minutes left to market open. Let's review our CPI data or our poll. CPI data gone. Is this fake news? 47% of you say yes, it is fake news. Yeah, man, of course. 52% of you say it's real. The data is corrupted, bruh. It's corrupted. I mean, I don't know. I'm a little sketched out with the fact that for the first time in the US government history, we are literally not releasing jobless claims or CPI data. Is it jobless claims or CPI? I forget. Either way, we're not releasing important news. Crazy. I knew it. She's a Filipina. Oh, bro. Yes. My team's in the Philippines. I have 2 editors, 1 manager, 3 cold callers. They're all in the Philippines and have other people, like some in Mexico. Looks fire. Thanks, man. I'll let her know. She's really good, to be honest. Actually really good. And if I could, I think there's a little thumbs up button down here right before market open. You can just gently tap it, just gently like this, swipe your finger across it. See if that works. Just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's see. NQ. I like this trend line on gold still. Either to short or long. We're gonna watch it because this is 1 hour demand. Okay. So what could possibly happen at open is this, right? That this is a possibility. And I'll watch for longs on that. I'm proud to be Filipino. Yes, sir. Kababayan. Yes, sir. Me too. I was gonna try to hold back. Me too. I've had my struggles about being Filipino in America. My life's a bit different being a Filipino American. But yeah, overall, I'm proud to be Filipino. Blessed 27. What's up? Welcome. Okay. Let's just hop over to NQ really quick, everyone. Murgard. What's up? Welcome. Okay, there's this very extremely long trend line on NQ. And for my history of trading, the longer the trend line, the better. The more powerful the break can be, right? That doesn't always happen, and we're not looking for a huge move, but it doesn't always happen. Let's look for 1 hour demand. So 1 hour demand, this is a demand here also. So we actually tapped into this demand. Sorry, the music is loud. What strategy do you use to mark your levels? I use supply and demand on the 1 hour or areas of interest. So right now on NQ, we tapped a 1 hour demand We have a trend line that potentially can be broken. And now we're rejecting from that trend line. So what I'd like to see when market opens is maybe a tap into this trend line, reject, double bottom, and then break of the trend line again to go long. Will that happen? Maybe. Maybe not. All we can do is wait. All we can do is wait. Stay patient. All right, this is NQ. Gold is just what I'm so used to trading, the way it moves and whatnot. So we're just gonna keep an eye on gold. Gold tapped the 1 hour demand that we drew out earlier. Okay, tapped it nice and perfectly there. So we're gonna wait for market open. We're gonna wait for market open. All right, let's do our check-ins. Let's do our morning check-ins. Where's everybody at in the world? I know some of you are in the Philippines, some in Japan, South Africa this morning, early this morning. Give me a check-in. Where are you guys watching from? In this beautiful part of in this beautiful world of ours that we all share. Where are you located? Market opens, 5 minutes left, guys. About 5 minutes left. India, welcome to the chat. India, USA, Boise. Hopefully I said that right. I managed a commercial roofing call center, and we called that city because there was hail. So I think there was hail there. I don't know, but there's a lot of hail out in the Midwest. But welcome. I'm here in Arizona, in the desert. I went from living in Florida in the swamp to living in the desert. Vietnam. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, my wife and I love pho. We are huge pho fans. We would get pho like 4 times a week. So since I'm on a health program trying to lose weight, we're not going to have pho for a while. Bro, I love pho. Australia. G'day, mate. Welcome. Oh, here's what's great. I just had a call with some Egyptian friends. They started a agency like hiring, recruiting. And my friend Firas, he's in Australia right now. I believe Sydney. I don't know. So I was talking I was on a Zoom call yesterday with them out in Australia. XAU USD. Yes, sir. This is gold. Rwanda. That is so cool. Welcome. Canada. Okay. Canada, our Canada friends. I know the Blue Jays versus Dodgers. I don't watch baseball too much, but I just learned that the Blue Jays is freaking Canadian. I didn't know that. I found that out after the series. That's how out of touch I am with sports. But Canada, welcome. All right, we're still waiting for market open here in a few minutes. NQ is still selling off. Everything is still selling off, which is great. We just don't want to chase anything. Finland. I think it's the first time I've had someone from Finland. Welcome, guys. Welcome. At 7:30 every day, market open, I have to drink a certain drink on my meal program. So it's about to be 7:30. I need to get a bottle of water. So I'll be right back. NQ flushing. Yeah, I see it on my left screen here. We are definitely dropping down. Gold is selling off too. Okay, let's trade XAU together. Yes, sir. I got XAU USD on the screen right now. And remember, guys, market open. We just want to let the market kind of do its thing, okay? So don't rush into things. Don't just don't rush into things, okay? As you see, I have red in the morning here because I kind of rushed into a trade, but I liked the setup. Oh my gosh, there's a freaking piece of paper in here. No. Don't mind me. Talk amongst yourselves, okay? Give me a few seconds here. I'm gonna make my shake. Ding, 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 ding. Market open. Market open. Man, get fit. I'm also suffering from obesity. I feel you, brother. I've been obese the majority of my life, man. I was the kid that had to get like adult pants. So I feel you, bro. Yeah. I've lost 11 pounds this week from this program, not selling it. Just, I would do this on stream or off. I just found you. Where are you from? I'm Filipino, but I'm in America. I'm in Merca. Market open. I'm shaking the heck out of this thing. All right. Delicioso. What up? We gonna make some money today? Come on, let's get some likes in the chat. Send me some hearts. Let's send some positivity. Let's be patient. Let's watch. Let's make money together. All right. What market is that? How is it so fast? When I paper trade, it's slow. Depends on when you're trading and trading view or what paper setup you're using. But if you're demo trading, sometimes it's not accurate to live data. So depending on what you're using, like if you use trading view, you got to make sure you're paying for live market data. Do you trade also live account or only prop firm? Right now, only prop firm. I've been talking about opening up a 3K live account. Just don't know yet. I do have 4 express accounts with TopStep, so flushing, that's the way it used to be. NQ is flushing. I can see that it's a bit choppy on the 1 minute. It wicked up. Right now, I'm looking for longs on gold. Pardon my sniffing and stuff, but I'm watching longs on gold right now, guys. Watching longs on gold. We're only 2 minutes in. How do we distract ourselves? Can we stop looking at the charts for a second? Because I don't want to make any trades for the next 5-10 minutes. Just need to let it breathe. CPI data gone. Is this fake news? Let's look at the polls here. We got 50% of you. Yes, man, of course. And 50% of you, it's real. The data's corrupted. We're break even on 56 votes. That is interesting. Interesting. How much did you payouts all from TopStep? Is it real TopStep? Do they give payouts? Yes, I have around $10,000 in payouts with TopStep. They're legitimate. They're one of the top names in the space. I trust them a lot. And I've tried quite a few TopStep or quite a few prop firms. Is gold correlated with NQ? I used to think that. I used to trade that way, Barato, but I stopped because I got caught like thinking I saw something when it's not there. So my answer is no. But if you find a setup and it works for you and you're correlating with it, then sweet. Carliff here from Malaysia. Watched your win yesterday and found you again today. I trade gold daily as well. Love what you're doing. Thanks, brother. It means a lot. This isn't easy. I did try going live a while ago and I just got caught up and tried to perform for you guys and started like hating myself for losing. So now I don't care about winning or losing as much. I just like being here with you guys and enjoy talking. So welcome, Malaysia. I bet your food is delicious out there and spicy. I hear Malaysian food is spicy. I love talking about food, as you can tell. Okay. But all right, we're still being patient here. We broke this trend line. So let's just I kind of want to go long right now. I kind of want to take this long. But I'm not doing it because it's only 4 minutes in. We're just gonna stay patient. I like the trend line break. It's pretty tight. On the 1 minute for yeah, you know what? Any sort of pullback here, if we get another pullback to the trend line, I will look to go long. How long do you trade? Give me one thing about trading which helps, please. Yeah, I've been trading since 2020. I've lost a lot of money. One thing of trading that helps, I would say trading, the one thing that will help you with trading is not technical analysis, even though you need it. It's not indicators. It's not anything. It's your heart. Sorry, your head and your heart. Those are the two most important things. I think that's where a lot of traders get stuck, is not knowing where their head and their heart is and why they're trading. So if you can reflect on knowing why you want to trade, obviously you want to make money, but there's more of a reason to it, I believe. And I would focus on your head and your heart as you go on this trading journey. Flush deep, LOL. I want to, are you talking about NQ? Holy cannoli. NQ's gone. Okay, guys, we're gonna look for longs on gold. I'm feeling longs here. Break of the trend line. We're gonna put a limit buy order here on a pullback if we get one. Thumbs up from Nigeria. Welcome, Nigeria. Patience is very important. I love your patience. Thanks so much, man. I used to not be patient, not gonna lie. Oh man, that AI bubble, guys. AI bubble is real. We'll talk about it. I'll maybe make a video. I'm not that smart to make a video like that. I mean, I am smart. I just don't feel like making a video like that. Talking about the AI bubble, how Nvidia is buying chips or like buying something from Oracle. It's like basically 4 or 5 companies circulating money and artificially pumping up evaluations from each other and artificially putting revenue into each other. Pretty sketchy. So I feel like that pop is happening right now. What up, my peeps? Welcome, Luis Flores, coming in hot. What up, my peeps? I love it. Good energy, brother. Let's take a look at NQ real quick, and let's just look at the oh wow, look at that. My trend line was drawn beforehand. A beautiful tap of the trend line to a short. That is crazy work right there, guys. Crazy work. Yeah, NQ's going short. I have a buddy who's in a few $1 million short on the market, and he's sitting pretty right now. I'm gonna message him later. So we're just gonna hang out. I don't want to chase anything on NQ, so we're just gonna chill out. Gold, I like a pullback. I like a pullback, guys, on gold. Barado, you went from 10 bucks to 4 grand. What in the heck? Let's go, bro. Congrats, man. Congrats. Happy for you. Happy for you. Osaka's going to treat you well with 4 grand in your pocket. Guys, if I'm not drinking water, you need to get on me, okay? I need to drink water. I have 0 sugar Powerade. I have to drink at least 8 or 10 of these a day. 8 or 10. We're coming down, everybody. I want to take this opportunity. I'm hoping we get filled.
Order filled.
All right, we are in short. Again, only risking 300. Oh. This might be a quick one, guys. This might be a quick one. You might be tapped out.
Order filled.
I waited. It's just evals. This is just evals. I'm not stressing it. I waited. I wanted to pull back. I wanted to take it long. Hammer, welcome. Are you still in that queue? Bro, good job, bro. Yeah, I like this, actually. It's $500 risk. It's kind of high. Everybody, remember, please, this is just evals. My tolerance on evals is $1,000 to lose in the day. Okay? Because it's just an eval. It's 49 bucks. Excuse me. On my express accounts, it's $500 max loss for the day. And I'm only risking 150. So, you know, just make sure that what you see right now is just that I'm trading evaluations and I'm a little bit more intrigued with taking more risk. We are close, so close to 30 likes on the stream. Would love to earn a like if you're still with us and jump up above the 30 mark. Okay, longs are not in the play. Even if we took this long earlier, it would have been 500 something bucks. Would have probably moved to break even on that. So shorts hitting that 25-30s. We have a nice sweep is probably, I'm sure, what you're saying. Very nice. I feel FOMO. Does anyone else feel FOMO? I mean, Bernardo is making that money right now. He's making that cheddar going short on NQ. So I do feel a little bit of FOMO. Missing out on shorts, but that's okay. Yesterday, we bought the dip, broke the trend line, went long, and we actually caught, a good setup. So I'm down 2 losers right now on an evaluation. Totally fine with it. And now I just need to reset, right? Need to just allow myself to reset and look at the market objectively. No bias. Because right now I'm like, I need to go short. I just need to look at it objectively. We broke the 30 like marks. Thank you so much. Can you explain it for me? I don't understand any trading and want to get started. Mr. Ramon, that's a big question. It's a big question. I would suggest downloading a demo trading account, like from TradingView, whatnot, and just playing with fake money, and then look at what is it called? Market structure. Well, that God Kennel came, but we still cooking. I like it. I like it. Yes, sir. It came. The God candle came. Here it is. Here it is. All right. So we're at this last 1 hour demand on gold. Right here. If I were to look for shorts, I would wait for it to come back up here. So markets are hot short right now, guys. Markets are hot short. My NQ. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy cannoli. Look at this. We're not even 15 minutes in. 15-minute candle. 200 points. 200 points in 15 minutes. Murphy's Law, bro. Anything that will go wrong will go wrong. Yeah. It's true. It's true. Yeah. Crazy. I'm just going to clean up my charts a bit here. So gold or NQ selling off. Gold selling off. Which tells me that we're looking for shorts. Bro, make that money. Lock in some profits in the sense like move those stops. I mean, maybe you already are. I don't want to tell you what to do, but make that money, bro. Thank you for breaking us over the 30 like mark. 30 likes mark. 30 likes mark. Yes, I'm saying it correctly. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm out. Yes. Boom. Osaka. Have a great day, brother. Close that laptop or whatever you're trading on, your phone, and freaking walk away. Because if it keeps dropping, that's gonna suck. But if it pops up, you made the money. Don't let that greed monster get you. I'm saying it to you, but really I'm speaking to myself because I let that greed monster get me every now and then. 7 G's, 7 bands. That's sick, man. Congrats. Yo, I'm new. Welcome. Welcome to new to trading or new to my channel. Whichever one. Welcome, brother. Okay, y'all. I like the retest up to go short, so I'm gonna wait. We'll be going long gold in the next few minutes. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. We're in a 1 hour demand. It's like final demand here. We tapped it and we're in it right now. So I don't know exactly when, but I would like to see a flip long. Hey, brother, I think I'm late. Stefan, it's all good, man. Better late than never. And, you know, I'm Filipino, so we're always late to parties, bro. We're always late to everything. That's how it works. Parties at 6 o'clock. We show up at 7:30. That's just how it is, bro. Roboto, send proof on Discord. Manny G30. Okay. Hey, I'll let you guys do that. We can chat about it in the Discord. All right, I'm down a bottle of water, a cup of coffee. Now I'm working on my Powerade. Ay, caramba. Ay, caramba. There isn't really a good reason for me to go long right now, except for it being in 1 hour demand. But I want to go long. I know he ain't making 7K on someone else's live. He's on NQ though. He's on NQ, you know? You never know. You never know. No need to tell the world. Hey, that's up to you guys. Up to you guys. If we break the demand on gold, I expect it to come down to 41.53. You know, that 41.53 area is pretty likely if we do break. It would be crazy for it to just drop right now. Ideally, would probably see it come down here. I don't think it would happen today. So I'd like to see some sort of retracement up and then break lower. 47 people watching you, so you owe us $148 each. I'm a simple guy. Buy me a meal and we can call it even. Jokes, big up to you, man. I like that. Yeah, you owe us all $1, man. Manny, you owe us all $1. Or sorry, not Manny. Bravado. You got to pay the live fee for trading live. I'm just kidding. Ah, 53% of you say that the CPI data being gone is fake news, and 47% of you say it's real. That's pretty break even to you guys. It's pretty half and half, which is pretty crazy. NQ is in a very strong area of demand. Let me just take a look at NQ right quick. Oh, how did this bug get inside of my office, man? NQ. Which I think gold goes lower. Yeah, possible. We're on a downtrend right now. Which platform are you using? This is TopStep X. I'm only up $400 for today, bro. That's groceries for the week. Yeah, yeah, that's good money, bro. It's good money, but yeah, it is just groceries for the week. With inflation and how things are, yeah, man. That'll get you a loaf of bread and a carton of eggs. Some sort of pullback here. Maybe interested in going long. I don't want to chase it, so I'd rather see some sort of double bottom. I'm gonna put an alert there. Gold. Let's go over to gold. Gold's looking like it's double bottoming in a 1 hour demand. So it's tight. The candles are so large, guys. So my $300 risk might not be as appealing. Do the math. Bernardo, you got it, bro. You got it. I believe you. You made your money. Evals, guys, evals. Please take this as a grain of salt. Evals. Okay, we didn't do it. I was waiting for it to flip. ICT or some other strategies. I'm using supply and demand with market structure. We're going long.
Order filled.
We're going long. This is my last trade on the evals today, guys. Last trade. There's only 2 reasons for me to go long. 3. We have a very strong sell-off. Okay, whenever there's a strong sell-off like this, there's always some sort of retracement. Double bottom on the 1 minute, and then also we're in a 1 hour demand. So those are the 3 reasons why I took this trade. Ideally would like to see it come up here, but I'll take profits somewhere in the middle of this point. So break even on the day would be right here, 42.01, if we get there. I might be too early. But that's okay. Oof. Today might not be my day, everybody. Today might not be my day. Now we are on the gold. Demand price has chilled out. Volume peak. Waiting for confirmation. Nice, brother. What are you trading? This is gold. Heart rate is up. I feel nervous. This is just an eval. This is fake money. $92 BPM. 92. Heart rate's at 92. Can I get a woosah? $81. $87. All right, I'm locking in. I'm gonna go at break even if this candle flips because I don't want to be holding. I'd rather be at break even.
Order filled.
I closed. I'm emotional. I close out of emotion. Pad me check. Don't do what I just did. I got too emotional. I saw I was up and I got out because I don't want to be negative for the day or be at break even. I closed out of emotion. So tisk Meshach. Tisk. What's up, kid? How you doing? I'm doing good. Easy kid. Cod, what up, bruh? Good to see you again. Looks like you got caught. Looks like you caught a nice one. Yes. W's in the chat for making back the money plus a little profit. So W's in the chat. God candle caught. Yes, sir. Back again. Caught the low. Up 1.1 on Express. We building nice. Thank you. Yes, we ended in profit. Don't let the market trade you, bro. Nice close. Yes, I like that. Don't let the market trade me. That's actually a cool saying. I'm gonna add that to my repertoire. Sorry guys, my team's messaging. Oof. Can you provide me an Express account? You have to pass an eval to get an Express account. Guys, good win. That was solid. Made back our money. Probably got out a little too early, but it is what it is. Here's the next trend line that I'm going to watch. On the express funded, I will consider shorting this. NQ. NQ. Guys, NQ. Did I say NQ already? NQ! Trend line broke. Strong push up. Here's the other trend line that we were watching. Ideally, if this trend line continues, would be nice to see it come up. Let's see if it comes up to this area here. Something like this. And then potentially look for shorts. Can you guys watch this for me or with me? Watch this with me, okay, guys? We're going to look for shorts up in this area. I'm going to put an alert there. Do you risk more than 1 to 2% of your account, bro? How could you be so emotional just now? Yeah, this is an evaluation, so it's fake. It wasn't so much about how much money. It was more about like not being right on the day. And an evaluation is just fake money. Done for the week, bro. Have a good one. Manny, good job, brother. Enjoy the green week. If you're not trading tomorrow, take care. Hopefully I can see you next week. Enjoy the cruise in the G37. Listen to Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift for me while you're driving. Thank you. All right, so I have a few reasons to want to take this long. We're bouncing in the trend line. We made a new higher high. We're in 1 hour demand. And I would like to see this reject even higher. If it doesn't, we're wrong. And this is just evals. Oh, that candle is too big. 300 bucks on that. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Nothing's approved yet. Guys, we're so close to 40 likes. If you're still watching, you haven't softly tapped that like button for me, could you please just give it a love tap? That would mean so much if I earned it. As long as you're enjoying yourself and you like what you're seeing, that would mean the world to me. Thank you. Okay, trend line held. Thank you guys so much. W's for just the likes, man. You guys rock. Thank you. Boom. Broke the 40. Let's go. I'm trading aggressive here, guys. Don't do what I'm doing, okay? I'm just trading aggressive. I'm trading a bit aggressive. Do you teach one-on-one? I don't, brother. I don't. Are you not going down? But you can join the Discord, and I'll be in there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna risk a little bit more on this one. Whoa. Why did it do that? Which asset are you trading? I am trading gold. I gotta shoot, bro. What's the Discord? Discord is inside of the description, brother. Join the Discord. Follow me here. It's inside the Discord. Easy kid. Good job on the win. Lock that account. Get out of here. Don't open the charts again. Low key, just saying gambling. Okay. Hey, to each their own. If you think I'm gambling, I'm gambling. I don't think trading's not gambling. You know what I mean? But it's just like blackjack players or poker players who have an edge. So they gamble in a way that they protect their losses and push when they need to, and they make money. Do you trade crypto or stocks? I trade just futures currently. You know, I'm just preaching to the choir, bro. I know, like, dude, when you're up money, the greed monster gets you. So I know you know what you're doing, bro. If you're not gambling, then I'm chill with it. But a lot of traders just say it's not. Yeah, I think it's semantics, right? I think trading is gambling, but I think if we change the word gambling to being risky, I think everything's risky. Everything's a gamble. Just managing that risk, right? So on the evaluation, we could only make 1,500. So I have it where it would be 1,500 on the day. I'm gonna go ahead and move myself to break even, and I'm gonna mark this wick as a take profit, because I can imagine price tapping this wick here, and then oh, you guys can't see it. I can imagine this being a take profit. How long you've been trading in the markets? I've been trading since 2020. Been losing money since 2020. So yeah, definitely been a while, brother. I'm gonna hold out for TP as best as possible. It's gonna be sucky with this pullback, but it is what it is. We're gonna hold for this take profit here. Now we're locking in. We're locking in 800 bucks. Hit 1,000.
Order filled.
Closing it out. 13 hundo on the day. Can we get a W in the chat? Where's the W's at? Where's the likes? Smash those likes. We were down 600 on the day. Came back on 2 trades, stayed patient. We came back up, and I'm done on this eval. I am done on this eval. We're locking myself out for the rest of the day. Yes, lock me out. Come on, man. Let me see some W's. This is for the trading fan. This is for the team. We did it together. We did it together. Extras, W. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Okay. Cool. Enough celebration. Super stressful. Tried saying being chill, just letting it play out, trying to move with the market, look at the levels, look in certain areas, go to stop loss when I feel like it should be best when we're up in profit, managing risk, understanding that this trade might continue going higher, and that's okay. Looking at myself and saying, look, you're up 800 or 900 or 1,000. You'd be stupid to not lock in some profits right now. Be content with the decision that you're going to make and move on with the day. That's all that just went through my head. All. Which is quite a bit. Just quite a bit. Okay, NQs hit our level. I'm gonna switch over to my combine. We are now on the combines. Or sorry, we're on the express accounts. Time to sleep, bro, in Indonesia. Brother, get some good rest. God bless you. Thanks for hanging out and joining me. It means so much that someone from random part of the world in India joined me. It means the world. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure to hit the like and sub if you haven't, so I can see you again in the future. Nice trading with you tonight. Take care, brother. Thank you. I'm the first time watching you. Could you tell me from which country you are streaming from? I am in the United States of America. Guys, we're so close to 50 likes. It would mean the world. I keep saying that. It really does mean a lot. Like, I was YouTubing for almost a year and a half, getting nowhere. And I was doing it for the wrong reasons. I wanted people to follow. I wanted to build this. I wanted the clout. I wanted to grow the channel. And when I would post a video and I wouldn't get any likes, I'd feel all emotional and down on myself. And now I don't care about getting more likes. What I care about is building a community, like trading with people, because it's fun. So would mean the world if you haven't liked, or if you haven't hit the like button, we can just hop over that 50 mark. Can we do it together as a team? That would mean a lot. Thank you. Bernardo, bro, you back? I thought you left. Going to bed. Oh, going to bed now, bro. 12 midnight here. Enjoy Tokyo, Bernardo. Take care. Stay connected. If I don't see you again, God bless you. Have a good day. Razes. What's up, brother? What's up? All right, now we are on the express accounts. Okay, so we're gonna take it very slow, and if there is a setup, I'm gonna make sure that I feel 100% confident in what I'm gonna take. I'm watching from Namibian. I don't want to. I'm so sorry that I'm butchering that. Namibian. Never heard of that country, to be honest. That is so cool. One second, I'm gonna look it up right quick. Hold on. Namibian, South Africa. So cool. Pronunciation.
Namibian.
Welcome from Namibian. Watching from the Philippines. Kumusta pare? Ano na? Kumusta na buhay? I'm Filipino. I can barely speak Tagalog. Awesome, bro. Watching from Borneo. I'm Filipino, but I was born in America, so I'm Philam. Borneo sounds like a Spanish-speaking country. I might be wrong. Borneo. Oh, Asia.
Borneo.
Is that just like how white people say it?
Borneo.
Or is it Borneo? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Borneo, island in Asia. In Brunei. Sick. That is so cool. You're in freaking... We're all in the international, guys. I love it. This is so crazy to me. I'm from India. India comes in strong in the morning. When I jump in, there's always like 3 or 4 people from India. Arabic? Am I Arabic, or are you saying one of the other countries? Borneo is actually Asia, but I am not Arabic. Oh, I do watch a guy who speaks Arabic, and he sells cars. He says, don't tell me. I love the saying that Arabic guy says. I have to remember. Ethiopia, welcome. We had a few Ethiopians earlier. Welcome. I'm from Palestine. Cool. That is so cool. Palestine. I think it's the first time I have someone in Palestine. Welcome. You pronouncing Nambia very well, by the way. I'm new to your channel. Loving the community. Thank you so much. And I forgot if I'm saying correctly again, but thank you and welcome to the family. From Ethiopia. Okay, Ethiopia is just coming in strong. Can you speak Arabic too? Was my question. Oh, no, I don't. I'm just Filipino, Tagalog. But there's a saying in Arabic. Hold on. Oh, yalla. That's what he says. Like, he's in the car industry, and every time he's like dealing with another Arabic person or someone in his language, and they're like buying cars and they're trying to get each other to like do a deal, and they're like, yalla, come on, yalla. And I learned what that is. That's let's go or something like that. That's super cool. When I withdraw from my accounts, I will invite you to my country, Algeria, and you can spend a wonderful holiday with me. Oh man, that's sick, man. I would take you up on that offer 100%. I got to find where my visa is at. Haven't used that in a while. But yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. That means a lot. The fact you want to type that out, and yeah, I can tell you mean that. So thank you. Shout to you though. Thank you, man. Thank you. Are you talking? Yes, bro. George, Louis, bro. George Sabilia. Bro, I love that guy. I watch his content for hours, but I think his YouTube went down. The car sales dude. Yes, bro. Yalla. Bald guy, beard. Those guys are so cool. My office is inside of a car dealership now, so I'm shooting content for them. Yes, that's him. And now I'm like trying to mimic his content a bit and try to like catch live like conversations. So yeah, George Saliba, bro, that's where he's at. And him and Mike, Mike the camera guy, they're just awesome together. I think what's addicting is watching them look at really cool, sick cars, and then also the live negotiations, like being able to negotiate live. If they were negotiating on Mitsubishis, I probably wouldn't be like too interested, but M3s, Lamborghinis, a lot of M3s. So yeah, he's cool. Or I'll come to you from Algeria just to meet you. The important thing is that I see you. Absolutely, brother. Yeah, man. It's a long way, but hey, if you're willing, bro. We'll do a meetup, guys. I mean, when the community is big enough and we do well and we're making money together, I'll be happy to set up a meeting in the world. We can do that. That'll be sick. Guys, we're a few likes away from 50. Can we hop over that 50 mark? Can we get over 50 likes? Hold on, let me refresh my screen. Hold on. $49. Let's jump over to 50. Let's go. In my country, Forex trading is not allowed. Your country is good to give opportunity to their people. I mean, I'm sorry to hear that. That's weird that they don't allow Forex. Well, I trade futures, but yeah, I see what you're saying. This is gold. Yeah, they are great to watch. The negotiations are the best, especially with some of the characters they get in there. Yeah, bro. Some of the customers are crazy. It's fun. It is really fun. Yeah, and they show their sales tactics. It's hilarious. It is a risk to show the way they sell cars, but I even sent my Supra to them to see if they'll buy it, and they're across the nation because of the trust. Like the fact that they're so transparent makes me want to do business with them. So yeah. How's the Take Profit Trader account? Oh shoot, I just forgot. I forgot that I had a Take Profit Trader account. I haven't traded it this morning. It's up $710 currently. So yeah. I need to do that. I'm trying to get into trading, bro. Who should I watch or learn from? One, me. You can tap that subscribe button if I earned it. Would mean a lot. But Doyle Exchange, number 1. Doyle Exchange. And 2, Carmine Rosado. Those are the 2 people that I sincerely I'm grateful for their content. I bought their courses. I've traded with them live because they have those opportunities too. And those are the 2 guys I'll definitely stand by. I swear, thanks to your live stream, my income has improved, and now I'm able to withdraw from my finance account. I'm grateful to you, my friend. Absolutely, man, and thank you for that. That means a lot. That's crazy to see. But yeah, I'm. That kind of sums it up for me. The fact that I'm able to help somebody be profitable is a good feeling. So thank you. Can I ask? Do you do trading as a hobby, or is it like a secondary job? Currently, it is a secondary job. I do run a business where we manage social media accounts, and I also manage a call center. So there's multiple things that I do. This is definitely not full-time. I want it to be. I've been trying to be full-time day trading, but I'm not there yet. Have you received any payouts with prop firms? Yes, I've gotten about 10,000 with TopStep, 2,000 or 3,000 with Take Profit Trader. Nothing crazy. So yeah, thanks. Appreciate it, bro. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Thank you. If you go to Japan, we will go to GTR Garage. Oh, bro. Please. That would be so sick to go to a garage of just full GTRs. Like, bro. Okay, look, Lamborghini. I live in a very wealthy area in Scottsdale, and I don't live in a big house. I have an apartment. But I literally walk out my door and there's Lamborghinis, and there's, you know, Lamborghini Urus. I see SVJs. I see Ferrari 458s, and they're cool and amazing machines, but nothing gets me excited like a GTR or a BMW E30. Those two cars, for whatever reason, old school GTR and BMW E30, I love those cars. Do you like Gates FX? I don't know who that is, actually. I don't know who that is. What are you trading? This is gold. I'm trading gold currently. We jumped over 50 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Means so much. Means a lot. 1 second. Give me a second here, guys. So sorry. I need to message my team back. AZ mod. Okay, they're communicating with the client of mine. Okay, I'm back. Let's go over to NQ really quick because we hit that level that we were talking about earlier. And now we're coming back. Two things can happen here. We break above, and then we go here, right? So it's like this W formation. Or we trade with the trend, and we go short. As of right now, I want to short, but I don't want to rush anything. Especially on the Express accounts. So, have you ever watched Warrior Trading? I don't. Sounds familiar. I used to watch a lot of guys, to be honest, but I stopped. Stopped watching a lot of guys. Yeah, that was from the very beginning. Honestly, if I'm just going to be honest, I don't like it. I don't like the content. It's not my style. It's not my type of thing. And I'm not trying to cater myself to absolute beginners because that's where you can make money, you know, kind of feed on the absolute beginner people where they're like, I don't know if he sell course. I don't know. I just remember seeing him and just not my vibe. But, you know, I can be that guy that like says, first time beginner, you're ready to get in the markets, I got you, right? And we start talking about like the simplest stuff. Then you build trust in me. And then if I sell a course, you're going to buy it from me. And that's just not my intention. Whether he's doing that or not, I don't know. But that's the type of vibe I get. How do you know what time frame you should be looking at? Time frames are based off of time frames, in my opinion, are based off your perception of, not perceptions. Time frames are based on your personality. I used to look at the daily and the 4 hour. I used to zoom in from the weekly, monthly, blah. I used to do all of it. Now I watch the 1, 5, and 1 hour. 1 hour, 5 minute, and 1 minute. That's it. So you got to build your own personality in trading. You got to find yourself in trading, your own style, whether you like to swing trade or whether you like trendline breaks or whether you like to scalp. You know, like there's Trades by Matt. Trades by Matt's a really cool guy. I am not his type of style of trading. He takes 10 points and calls it a day on NQ. So like he'd be in right now going long and then boom, he'd be out. Boom, he just won. Like that is too fast a scalping, not my style, but you got to find yourself, find your style. Sorry for the long-winded answer. Can you explain the strategy? Yes, I use 5 minute demand and supply, or I use 1 hour supply and demand for areas of interest to go short or to go long and shorten. 5 minute zooms in for more like market structure. And then 1 minute, I like to enter the trade on a trend line. Do you watch Cryptocyrus? He is from Taiwan. I don't know who that is. I'll have to take him up, look him up one day. Day trade and with gold. Yep, day trade with gold. I'm super scalping. You know, I'm in 4, 5, 10 minutes. He sells pricey courses and some platform stuff. Gotcha. I mean, look, if he's trading and he makes money from trading and he's selling courses, to each their own. No harm, no foul. If he makes money only from courses and doesn't trade, nah, bro. I ain't flying with that. Just my opinion. These are all just opinions. Break of a structure going down. Yep. He's so day trading, trading and forex are the same. Yeah, trading in general, you can trade different types of markets. There's the futures, stocks, crypto, forex, like there's many different markets. In my opinion, it all kind of washes the same. And it also comes down to volume and psychology. So they all kind of like act the same. I appreciate the honest opinion. Yeah, absolutely, man. I'm here for the long term. I'm here to connect with people, and I also don't want to be politically correct on every answer that I have. I think that it's good to be decisive on some things, be opinionated. So people start talking bad about me, it's their opinion. What's my age? Ooh, that's a good question. Type in the chat how old do you guys think I am. That'll be interesting. I think I've said it before, but I want to see what you guys think. What were the names of the traders you said you really liked? Doyle Exchange, and Carmine Rosado. I'll type it out here. Carmine Rosado and Doyle Exchange. If you ever are on a live with them, or if you ever like whatever trade with them or whatever, just say that Shaq sent you. They don't know me. That'd just be cool. What? Who's Shaq? What do you mean Shaq sent you? 31, 38. Okay. 28. Okay. Most of the new traders asking for course. That's why they're selling. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. But everything's free out there. I mean, okay, I paid for courses. So, sorry. I paid for courses. And if you want to, from my opinion, simplify it. Carmen Rosado and Doyle Exchange are two people I bought courses from. 100% respect to them. So if you want to trust somebody that I trust, I don't make money from them. I just don't talk to them. I don't trade with them anymore. I'm on my own. Those two guys. 28, 27, 26. Thank you so much for those because I'm 34. 34 guys. I'm a little bit older. But I feel like I'm in my 20s. I try to not to look at age too much. You know, age is, I want to say age is just a number, but what is it? You know, my body's a little bit older. I still feel young inside, and I think I'll always feel that way. So, yeah. Okay, I do like shorts on NQ on this trend line break. Actually, no. I mean, the move is over. We have definitely sold off. So I don't know. I don't want to take it short right now. I don't want to risk 150 bucks. Trading with the trend would be nice to go short on this trend line break, but I'm not for sure. Tell us the first story when you got your first 1 million. You're a troll, bro. Okay. When I made my first $1 million was in 2035. Okay. The year 2035. Hey, I've just started trading and I already blew R1000, but learned a lot on the way. And I just want to know if you have any tips, if I should just quit. Yeah, man. You know what? I'm going to be brutally honest with you. So take this with a grain of salt. Trading isn't for everybody. And I say that respect. I'm not saying trading isn't for only the strongest are supposed to trade. Like, I don't say it in that way. I mean it in the sense like, because your emotions, it's more about your emotions and your psychology than anything else. So that's one side. And then to directly answer you, I would take a few days off and think about if you can take a few days off. I found myself trying to walk away from the market and ending up on the charts like, wait, I told myself I'm going to take a day off, but then I'm back on the charts. So that shows I'm addicted to trading. I was addicted. It wasn't trading. I wasn't like methodical about anything. I was just addicted to trading. Once I realized I was addicted, I had to understand, like, why am I addicted to trading? And then I understand I'm trying to make money. Like, so my tip to you is to journal if you aren't already. Don't journal, took this trade. Like, be honest with yourself and say, today I was greedy. You know, I actually journaled in third person, which I have said this before. I used to journal like this: trader is feeling FOMO right now and entered in the trade completely out of emotion. Trader needs to understand that emotions are a part of the game and needs to regulate emotions by this and that. I traded that way, or I journaled that way for about a year, and it helped me reflect. So screw the technical analysis, screw the prop firm money, screw all that stuff, and just focus on your emotions and your psychology. Sorry for the long-winded answer. Let's take a look at gold. Thanks for the advice. I really appreciate it. Absolutely, brother. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully I see you again. Take care. Or I don't know if you're leaving. Welcome to the journey, I should say. Welcome to the journey of trading. You know, we're in very tight situations right now. We're our tough situations right now. I don't know. I just don't know what to do. I feel like I'm forcing things. So I'm just gonna chill out for a second. Work on demo until you are profitable. Discipline, most important. Yeah, yep, agreed. You guys feel that? That music is making me want to rap. I don't even know how to rap. I don't even gonna do that. I don't even know how to rap, but the music's kind of getting me right now. The vibes. Isn't that a confirmation to sell because it broke structure? On a 5-minute, you know, yes. Yep, there is. I was going to short here. That's why I drew this candle up. I was going to short here and trade with the trend. But the reason why I'm iffy is because I've seen before where we kind of go up and then we start finding support and we start consolidating. So that's why I didn't do anything. No setup, no trade. Yeah, exactly. You know, this was interesting to me. It would have been a winner. I was going to risk 300 right here. Stop loss there. Take profit down here. Would have been 1100. But I'm being very selective with my Express accounts. Excuse me. Sorry if I burped in the mic. What I'd be interested in is longs on NQ. I know it sounds counterintuitive right now, but with the run up here, us being in a 5-minute demand, I'd be intrigued if we saw something like here or in this big 1 hour supply, 1 hour demand. And then I will draw out some sort of trend line. This. Gold might be reaching for liquidity and then go up. Yeah, I don't really look at liquidity stuff like that, but that stuff always got me confused. But yeah, there's a possibility it might come down here and break this low and come back up. So there is that opportunity. But as of this very moment, I am more intrigued about longs on NQ. If there's some sort of retracement, I'll be looking for longs. Do you trade BTC also? I don't trade BTC. I do look at BTC. Where's BTC at today? 101,000. 101,000. We're coming down. Did we break below 100,000 again? NQ might be reaching for the gap below, then it might go up. You know, guys, I don't even look for that stuff, but there might be gaps. There might be gaps. I don't know. All right, so this is what I'm watching, guys. Back up into this 5-minute supply. I would want to see it break up, break the trend line, some sort of retest, and then we're going to look for quick scalp long. Oh, I'm on, I need to go to MNQ because I'm on my Express accounts. I am not going to risk more than I should on the Express accounts. I'm gonna trade 5 micros. NWOG gap definitely never got filled. You might want to know. I don't know what that is. I don't really care for those. So you primarily off of support resistance. Yeah, simply put, support resistance on the 1 hour and the 5-minute, and then trend line breaks. I also have on my other chart here, which you guys don't see. I have a 13 in the 200 EMA. I use those for added confluence, but it's not always 100% that I do it. Yo, bro, what's up? Gold is trying to double bottom. Trying to triple bottom on the 1 minute, doing its best. I'm gonna switch over to gold right quick, guys. Where am I from? I'm in America. I'm in America. Merca. Arizona. Here's that. And let's go to MNQ. All right, MNQ selling off, which is fine. I'm going to go back to gold and watch for some possible longs. No. GC. When do you normally live stream? Because it's really interesting and I'm from South Africa. I try to live stream every day. Can't promise that. I have a business that I manage. So sometimes I have to drive early in the morning. So we're going to wait for this 1 minute candle to form. And see if we get a pullback. And we're going to try to go long. If you haven't yet subscribed, would love to have earned your subscription. If you haven't followed me on Instagram is, this is micros. My Instagram limit buy is ShackMT, and I do have a free Discord in the channel or in there. I'm not going to be gatekeeping that and selling it. Just a free community for you guys to be a part of. Okay. NQ also is doing the thing. Dang it. I gotta make a decision here. I'm gonna pop up here, see if we get a rejection. But do you trade prop firms? Yes, I do. TopStep and Take Profit Trader are the two that I focus on. Those are what I'm trading right now. Guys, if you haven't done so, it means so much to me if we can get over the 60 like mark. That would be sick. We got over 60 likes. We're so close. We're at 56 right now. So if you haven't, you're still with me and you feel comfortable, lightly, gently tapping that like button does help me out in the long run. So thank you. Let's jump. Oh, shoot. I'm going to take off this trade. Okay, I'm going to go back to MNQ because this trend line is now coming to break. We did make a new lower high. I like Apex, but at the same time, I don't like the rules. Not my, the rules are not my fancy. Okay, guys, this is MNQ. Been hearing some bad stuff about Apex recently. Told you to sell. Okay, what's the difference? Yeah, there's a few different things, man. I mean, hold on, I gotta stay focused here. Trying to decide whether to go long on gold on the pullback or wait for NQ if it does give some sort of signal to go long. It would be higher, even higher confluence if it breaks down here and pops up. So I'm going to take it off for a moment here and just wait and let price do its thing. Gold was pretty interesting to me if it pulled back down to 41.98. So I have an alert there at 41.98. Go long on gold? Yeah, I was trying to go long on gold, but I don't want to just chase right now, so I'd rather wait for a retracement if it gives it to us. Let's see if it comes down and wicks down. 59 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, did I say get over 50 or 60? Either one. We're close to 60. Let's go. I just need one more. Just one more. Whoever it is would mean the world if you could gently tap that. Get us over 60. I'm just trying to stay patient. Reversal signal confirmation you use. I don't really have a signal, but right now I'm anticipating shorts, trying to short here, longs looking for longs, and I'm trying to wait for this trend line break, to be honest. Ideally right now, I would love to see this break right now, just break lower and come back up. You said 50. Oh, okay, shoot. We already went over 50, close to 60. Okay, forget the 60. We don't have to get to 60. I'm good with it. Don't you sell Euro USD? It touched liquidity a few days ago and it's on an uptrend. Dude, I don't look at liquidity, ICT, turtle soup, chicken soup, pho, any kind of soup. I don't look at any soups. I just look at supply and demand, break a structure, break a trend line. All right, a new 5-minute candle is opened. Gold has also retraced back. All right, if we're going to look at NQ, a new 5-minute candle open. There's 3 minutes left on that 5-minute candle. So in the next 3 minutes, I'd want to see this recover and break the trend line. And I was answering the guy in the comments, but yeah, understandable. Okay, gotcha. My bad. And listen, ICT might work for people, okay? So I'm not knocking on the fact that it doesn't work. Gold and NQ seem to trade the same. They used to. I got caught in a weird place where I thought they were divergent or convergent or whatever the correct word is. And right now they're trading the same. But next week they might do opposite things. So don't get caught. Don't get caught thinking you see something sometimes in that type of world. Okay, NQ is coming down. I'm gonna switch over to gold. I feel like I'm kind of forcing something right now. Not gonna lie, I feel like I'm forcing because I'm trying to get a setup. So I'm just saying that out loud. I like this long on gold. Don't want to chase. See if you get a retracement. Do you only look for longs? I don't. I like to short, and I've shorted before. Yesterday's trade, I went long and short. I look for whatever the market's willing to give me right now. And right now, I see some sort of opportunity going long. Oh, snap. I have a meeting here shortly. Okay, we missed out on that long. We missed out on long. Gold create equal low, so it's going to explode up. We're battling the weekly fair value gap. Okay, nice. Okay, NQ's off the table for me for a little bit here. I don't see anything long currently. I'm going to adjust my buy parameters to here. Where are you from? I am from the United States of America. Thank you so much for 60 likes, guys. Means the world. Thank you. So if you're just now joining, we on the combine this morning, we got 1300. So we're good. Lock that out. This is going to be on the evals or the express accounts, guys. Are you a MAGA supporter? I don't care who's in presidency. I don't support. It doesn't matter to me. Government's going to do whatever they're going to do. My vote doesn't really affect the overall way things are. I think the people that have power are going to always have power. And that's the way it goes. Please fill me.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. We're risking $150. Okay. This is on the express accounts. If I'm wrong, I lose 150 bucks. If I'm right, I'm looking for 140 or 440. Ashar, we have the same analysis. Nice. That's good to hear, man. Oof. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. We might be just caught in this chop range. Anxious. Higher time frame bearish. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Definitely bearish. I already kissed the 150 bucks goodbye, guys. I already gone. It's gone. It's out of my mind. I accepted the loss. I'm not gonna cry about it. But this is on the express accounts. So, and I'll probably do one and done because I have a meeting here in about 10 or 15 minutes. So I took the trend line break. It looked like it faked me out. Maybe it wants to do this little shake out
Order
here.
filled.
I got filled out. $150 loss on the Express accounts. On the Express accounts, guys. Express. So there's real funds. I'm deciding whether I like this sort of like wedge pattern. But I don't know yet. So I just saw on this 5-minute time frame, we have a very, 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 very long 5-minute trend line here. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to take it one more time.
Order filled.
Basically would be break even on the account. All right, I'm hoping for this to be the actual break. I said I was most likely to be done. I didn't solidify that I was going to be done. So I see where you're coming from. Appreciate you kind of holding me accountable. But I in my mind, I said there might be one more opportunity here. And I accepted that I might be down on the account, break even pretty much. And I said if this reverses without me, I'd be more frustrated than actually losing the $180. See what I'm saying? So I'm accepting that I would feel better losing and being wrong than not trading and missing out on the move. Did you get your Express? I did. These are the 2 Express funded accounts right now that I'm trading. One second, guys. I have a meeting to get to. Okay.
Hi, good morning.
Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning.
boss.
Hey, guys.
How are you guys doing?
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, we're good. We're
Good.
Uh,
Just for a second here, I'm live on my YouTube channel because I do this before I meet with you guys. I'm live, and I'm day trading live on YouTube. There's people watching me, and I'm in a trade right now. So I just want to finish the trade out. So if you guys are okay hanging out for a few seconds, there's people watching me live trade on YouTube, which I'll show you guys here. So all these people are saying, "What's up, Shaq?" NQ might go up now. Said hi. What's up? You trade Express. This is the Express account. And so I'm live right now, and I'm waiting for it to hopefully hit here. So guys on YouTube, I'm talking to my team with the commercial call center. So just bear with me. I'm trying to do two things at once. Usually I'm ready for you guys, but I'm focused on this. So if you're in the trade with me, we're going to go ahead and go to break even. We're going to lock in. We lost 150 on the first trade. Let's see if we get to take profit here. Hi, Shaq. Good morning. William, good morning. Stara, good morning. He is horrible at trading. You talking about me? You're saying I'm bad at trading? You crazy, bro. You're crazy. I'm going to move my take profit up to here to this next 5-minute supply. See if we get there. He's horrible at trading, a crybaby. Dude, who are you? Are you just trolling me right now? A crybaby. You're talking about me, bro. You're definitely a troll. So you crazy. All right, we're about to hit take profit on this trade. I'm going to close out. If we get there.
Order filled.
Boom. Order filled. Made $322 on 2 accounts, guys. We lost 150 on that first trade. And now we're at $322 on 2 accounts on the Express accounts. And then we also made $1,300 on the eval. So if you made it this far, I appreciate you joining the live. If you could, leave the like button. If I earned your subscription, please subscribe. Would love to have you as a subscription. And let's leave some hearts for this Jace Gibson guy who says I'm a crybaby. Let's give him some likes in the chat, you know. Let's give him some positivity because he's saying I'm a crybaby. All right, guys, I got to get going. I have a meeting to get to. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next live.